In this video, I'll show you how to make a video ad on Canva. Open Canva and click Video to select a format that fits your project. On the left-hand panel, search for Video Ad to explore templates designed for promotional videos. Choose a template that matches your brand or campaign style. Next, go to the Upload section and upload your product images or video clips. Drag and drop these files onto the template to replace the placeholder elements. Double-click text boxes to edit the content and customize fonts, colors, or effect to suit your message. Preview your video. When ready, click Share, select Download, and choose MP4 as the file type to export your video ad. That's it. Thanks for watching.